Hello students, welcome to Excellence Classes Way of Learning. Today we discuss exercise 3.4. In this exercise, we have to find inverse of the given matrix using elementary transformation. Okay. So, today we discuss question 1 to 10. Let's see the question number 1. Here, the given matrix is 1, 2, minus 1, 3. It is a square matrix of 2 into 2 order. Okay. So, for elementary row transformation, characteristic equation is A equals IA. So, let A equals to 1, 2, minus 1, 3. As you know that for elementary row operations, characteristic equation is A equals IA. Okay. So, put the value of A, that is 1, 2, minus 1, 3. And I is the identity matrix of order 2, that is 1, 0, 0, 1, A. Now, ध्यान से समझिए, here we have the main diagonal is 1 and 3. 1, 3 is the main diagonal, so we have to convert the non-diagonal elements into 0. So, our first change is into R2. That R2 is changed to R2 minus 2R1. Okay. So, R1 is same because हमने changes कहाँ लगाया है R2 में. So, now change R2, that is 0 and it is 3 minus minus plus 2, that is 5 is equals to same identity matrix में भी change होगा. R1 is same 1 0 and row 2 change करेंगे, that is minus 2 1 A. Okay. Now, here diagonal element is 1 5. So, first 5 को easy कर लेते हैं. Then R2 is such that 1 by 5 R2. Okay. Then we get here first row is 1 minus 1 and second row is 0 1 is equals to 1 0 minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 A. Now clear? Non-diagonal element minus 1 को 0 करना है. So it is R1 is changes to R1 plus R2. Now we have 1, it is minus 1 plus 1 0 and second row is 0 1. Now here minus 2 by 5 1 by 5 row 2 is same. R1 में change करेंगे, then R1 plus R2. It is 1 minus 2 by 5, that is 3 by 5 and it is 1 by 5 A. Clear? We have A inverse is equals to 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Clear? Simple process है. गिवन मैट्रिक्स, जो मैट्रिक्स गिवन है, हमने एलिमेंट्री रो ऑपरेशन अप्लाई किया, दैट इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन इज इक्वल्स आई ए. सो नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स को हमें थ्रू आउट एलिमेंट्री रो ऑपरेशन से जीरो करना है और गिवन मैट्रिक्स को आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके, लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हियर द गिवन मैट्रिक्स इज 2 1 1 1. इट इज ऑल्सो 2 into 2 ऑर्डर. नाउ लेट A equals 2 1 1 1. Now, characteristic equation is for elementary row operation is A equals IA. Put the value of A is equals to identity matrix of 2 into 2 order, that is 1 0 0 1 into A. Now, see, if we change here R1 into R2, then we get the diagonal elements easily 1. So, R1 interchange with R2, that is 1 1 and 2 1 is equals to, it is 0 1 1 0 A. Now, main diagonal is 1 1. So, non-diagonal elements को 0 में change करना है. That is R2 is changes to R2 minus 2R1. Okay. So, here R1 is same, that is 1 1 and change R2, that is 0 and minus 1 is equals to, here R1 is same, that is 0 1 and it is 1 minus 2 into A. Now, 1 को 0 करना है -1 से, so it is R1 is changes to R1 plus R2, that is 1 and 1 plus -1, that is 0. It is 0 minus 1 is equals to here 1 and -1, and R2 is 1 minus 2 into A. Now here we have -1, so simply R2 is changes to -1 into R2 to convert it into 1. That is 1 0 0 1 is the required identity matrix, and it becomes 1 -1 and -1 2. Positive change to negative and negative change to positive. Clearly we have A inverse is equals to 1 -1 -1 2. Okay, clear? Let's see the next question. Question number 3. Here let A equals to 1 2 3 7. So characteristic equation is A equals IA. Put the value of A, that is 1 2 3 7 is equals to 1 0 0 1 A. Now here 1 7 is the main diagonal, so change 2 into 0, that is R2 changes to R2 minus 2 R1. Then we have R1 is same, that is 1 3, and R2 becomes 0 and it is 1. Now it is 1 0, R1 is same, and R2 becomes -2 and 1 into A. Now 3 को 0 करने के लिए हम चेंजेस लगाएंगे R1 में, that is R1 changes to R1 minus 3R2. So we get the required identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1. Clearly 3 minus 3 0. And here we have R2 is same, -2 1, and R1 becomes 7 and it is -3 A. So clearly we have A inverse is equals to 7 -3 -2 1. Okay, clear? Next question number 4 is A equals 2 3 5 7. For elementary row operation, put A equals IA, where A is equals to 2 5 3 7 equals 1 0 0 1 A. Now we have to change 5 into 0, that is R2 is such that 2R2 minus 5R1. Then 2 से 5 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 5 से 2 में, then we get 0. Clearly, so R1 is same 2 3, and here 10 minus 10 0. Okay, and here 14 minus 15, that is -1. Same here 1 0, and R2 changes to -5 and 2 into A. Now 3 को 0 करने के लिए -1 से चेंज लगाएंगे, then R1 is changes to R1 plus 3R2. On applying this change, we have R2 is same 0 -1, and R1 becomes 2 0 is equals to here R2 is same -5 2, and R1 becomes -14 and 6 into A. Now to make it identity matrix, we have to convert it 1 1. So clearly we have R1 is such that, so apply R1 changes to 1 by 2 R1, and R2 changes to -1 into R2. Okay, apply this change. Then we have it is 1 0 0 1 is equals to -14 by 2, 6 by 2, and R2 is +5 and -2 into A. So clearly we have A inverse is equals to -14 by 2, that is -7, it is 3 5 -2 is the required inverse. Let's see the next question, question number 5. Here A equals to 2, 7, 1, 4. So now A equals IA. Put the value of A, that is 2714, is equals to 1001 into A. Now, if we interchange R1 into R2, then we get the diagonal element easily 1. So, R1 interchanges with R2, then we get it is 7, 4, 2, 1 is equals to 0, 1, 1, 0 into A. Now, apply the changes R1 to simplify it. Then R1 is changes to R1 minus 3R2. Then we get second row is same 2, 1 and first becomes 7 minus 6, that is 1 and 1. Now it is 1, 0 and it becomes minus 3, 1, A. Now clearly we have to main diagonal 1, 1 and we have to convert the non-diagonal elements into 0. So let's apply R2 is such that R2 minus 2R1, then we get 1, 1, it is 0 and minus 1 is equals to, here R1 is same, that is minus 3, 1 and R2 becomes 7 minus 2, A. Now R1 is such that R1 plus R2, then we get 1, 0, 0, 1, it is minus 1 is equals to, here R2 is same, that is 7 minus 2, apply changes on R1, then we have 4 minus 1, A. Now it is minus 1, so changes into R2, R2 is such that minus 1 into R2. Then we get the required identity matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 1 is equals to 4 minus 1 minus 7 plus 2, A. Clearly the inverse of the given matrix is 4 minus 7 minus 1, 2. Okay, clear? Let's see the next question, question number 6. Here A equals to 2, 5, 1, 3. Now A equals IA. Put the value of A, that is 2, 1, 5, 3 and identity matrix of 2 order, it is 1, 0, 0, 1, A. Simple, here main diagonal is 2, 3. So interchanges the R1 and R2. So R1 interchanges with R2, then we get the main diagonal elements is 1. So it is 1, 3, 2, 5 is equals to 0, 1, 1, 0, A. Now change into R2, then R2 is such that R2 minus 2R1. So clearly we have to change 2 into 0. Then we get R1 is same 1, 3 and R2 becomes 0 minus 1 is equals to, it is 0, 1 and R2 becomes 1 minus 2, A. Now convert 3 into 0. So R1 is such that R1 plus 3R2. Then we get it is 1, 0, 0 minus 1 is equals to, here R2 is same 1 minus 2 and R1 becomes 3 and it is minus 5, A. Now it is minus 1. So change into R2, that is R2 is such that minus 1 into R2. Then we get the required identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 is equals to 3 minus 5 minus 1, 2, A. So here the inverse of the given matrix is 3 minus 1 minus 5, 2 is the required inverse. Okay. Let's see the next question, question number 7. Here also we have 2 into 2 order. ये easy है काफ़ी. 3 into 3 order में आपको और भी practice करनी होगी. Let's see the question. Here A equals IA. Put the value of A, that is 3, 5, 1, 2 is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1 A. Now changes in R1. Then we have R1 is such that 2R1 minus R2. R1 को सिंपल करने के लिए है ये चेंजेस, और एक एलिमेंट आपका 0 भी होगा. So changes in R1, then we get it is 1 and it is 1, 2 minus 2, so it is 0. Okay. In RHS part, we have 2 minus 1 and it is 0, 1. Now, change this 5 into 0, then we have to change in R2. R2 is such that R2 minus 5 R1. Then we get first row is same and second becomes 0, 2 is equals to 2 minus 1 and R2 becomes minus 10, 6. It is 6. A. Here we have 2. So simply R2 is such that 1 by 2 R2. Okay. Then we have it is 1, 0, 0, 1 is equals to, it becomes 2 minus 1. It is minus 10 by 2 and 6 by 2. A. So, the inverse of the given matrix is 2 minus 1, it is minus 5 and 3 is the required inverse. Let's see the next question, question number 8. Here A equals to 4, 3, 5, 4. Same, A equals IA, put the value of A, that is 4, 5, 3, 4 is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1 A. Now, change R1, that is R1 is such that R1 minus R2, so it becomes simple, that is 1, 1 and 3, 4 is equals to, it becomes 1 minus 1, 0, 1 A. Now, R2 is such that R2 minus 3R1, then it becomes 1, 1, R1 is same and R2 becomes 0 and it is 1 is equals to 1 minus 1 is same and R2 becomes minus 3 and it is 4 A. Now we have to convert it 1 into 0. So changes R1, then R1 is such that R1 minus R2. Then we get the required identity matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now here we have row 2 is same, minus 3, 4 and R1 becomes, it is 4 and this is minus 5 A. Now inverse of the given matrix is 4, minus 3, minus 5, 4. Okay, let's see the next question number 9. Here A equals 3, 2, 10, 7. Let A equals 3, 2, 10, 7. Now A equals IA. Put the value of A to applying elementary row operation, and I is the identity matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 1 A. Now first change is R1 is such that R1 minus R2. Then we get easily 1 in the diagonal element. So it becomes 1 and it is 3 is equals to, here it is 1 and minus 1, R2 is 0, 1 into A. Now R2 is such that R2 minus 2 R1. Here we get the first non-diagonal element 0, that is 1, 3, it is 0 and it becomes 1 is equals to, here R1 is same, that is 1 minus 1 and R2 becomes minus 2, 3 A. Now change the R1, that is R1 is such that R1 minus 3R2. Then we get R2 is same 0 1 and R1 becomes 1 0 is equals to, here also R2 is same and R1 becomes 7 and it is minus 10. A. Now clearly we have A inverse is equals to 7 minus 2 minus 10 3. Okay, clear? Let's see the question number 10. Here we have to give in A equals 3 minus 4 minus 1 2. Now A equals IA. So put the value of A, that is 3 minus 4 minus 1 2, and I is the identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1 A. Now clearly we have R1 is such that R1 plus R2. So we get easily 1. Then R2 is same minus 4 2 and R1 becomes minus 1 and it is plus 1 is equals to R2 same, apply changes R1, then we have 1 1. Now R2 is such that R2 minus 4R1 to changes it into 0. So we get minus 1 1 and it is 0 minus 2 is equals to R1 is same here 1 1 and R2 becomes minus 4 and it is minus 3. A. Now R1 is such that 2R1 plus R2 to change it 1 into 0. So we get R2 is same 0 minus 2 and R1 becomes minus 2 and it is 0. And here R2 is same and R1 becomes minus 2 and it is minus 1. A. Clearly we have to convert it into 1 to make it identity matrix. So we have R1 is such that minus 1 by 2 R1 and R2 is changes to minus 1 by 2 R2. Then we get the required identity matrix 1 0 0 1 is equals to, here we have minus 2 by 2 1, it is 1 by 2 and it is 2 and it becomes 3 by 2 into A. So the required inverse of the given matrix is 1 2 1 by 2 3 by 2. Okay, clear? In next class we will discuss the rest questions of this exercise. Okay, clear?